Ever wondered how to create those super oversized, high-fashion puffer jackets you see on the runway, all within 5 minutes? Well, today I'm going to show you how I make my giant jackets right inside CLO3D. Let's get into it. We're starting off with just a basic silhouette for our jacket, but the magic begins when we start adding internal lines. Add internal lines to both sleeves and front pattern. Be free, messy even. These lines are the key to the puff. Once you're happy, select them. Right-click and select Cut and Sew. Select all lines. Now, here's the trick. Go to Property Editor and turn on Elastic. Then set Shrinkage Warp and Weft to 180. That's what gives us that juicy, exaggerated puffiness. Hit spacebar to check the flow of the full outfit. And boom, your puffer is done. Now, select all patterns in the 2D window and in Property Editor, set the particle distance to 5 for better simulation results. Go to the object browser and click Add Print. Select any print you prefer. Render the scene and try out different lighting setups. And we're done. A giant, fabulous puffer jacket in 5 minutes flat. Want me to try denim next? Comment below.